Welcome to the tutorial for the Crystal Collective Fancy Bracelet. If you ordered this do-it-yourself kit, you will have one packet of materials with our fancy opalite beads, a string, and our little brass geometric bead that is going to hide the knot. To get started, I like to lay out all of my materials. If you've made a bracelet with me before, you know how much I like these trays. They help me organize all of my materials. If you don't have one of these handy bead trays at home, something you can use is a piece of felt or fabric on your workspace, or some little ramekins or low ring dishes. I like those too. The fancy bracelet is pretty straightforward. I'm just going to string all of the beads onto the string. I start with the bead that we're going to hide our knot in. And you're just going to add all of the beads. Just string them all along. I also need to ask that you completely ignore my manicure or lack thereof. I'm terrible at doing manicures, and especially my own, and making jewelry does not really mix with having nice nails either. As soon as you do your nails, inevitably they get chipped. So here we are, moving right along in progress. I love these beads. These beads are made out of something called opalite, which is one of the very few synthetic stones that I will work with. Actually, I'm limited basically to opalite and occasionally some cubic zirconia for pave settings, but opalite was created because it solves a problem. Opals are stunning and everyone loves them, but they're very fragile. And when exposed to varying air temperatures and especially cold, they tend to break and crack, and it really does not take much. So the solution was a lab-created opal that has a lot of the beauty and luminescence and iridescence of naturally occurring opals, but is incredibly sturdy and will not break like an opal will break. So a lot of people are drawn to opalite for its beauty, and you can see why. Look how pretty that is. All right, now we have all of our fancy beads strung. We're going to do like all of our other bracelets. Take the tape off the end of your string before you tie your knot. It'll make it easier. I like to pull my string tight where I'm going to tie the knot and try and hold it tight. I'm going to do a single knot first. There we go. Just like that. And pull it out a little bit if it's too tight. Let's see how that's gonna fit. Oh, that is so pretty. I love this bracelet. And we're gonna do another knot right on top of that. There we go, we have a double knot. And then we're gonna cut our little tail off. We hide our knot and our bead. And there you go, there's the fancy bracelet. She doesn't lay very pretty, but she looks great on. See you guys next time.